Okay, so our goal today is to ride our bikes about 25 miles or so on the Sacajawea Heritage Trail. We found nearby parking and taking Kaliki out for a little exercise. A little surprised to find on a Sunday afternoon an abandoned beach. Right across the river is the state of Oregon. We'll be riding along both sides this afternoon. And be sure to stick around so we can share our review from Hood Park Campground, located in Lake Walla Walla, Washington.
Hi, I'm Michael.
And I'm Grace.
And together we are California Travel Videos. And we are in Washington, almost on the east side of Washington. Grace, where are we at, or what are we going to do?
We are here at the Columbian River Gorge at Sacagawea State Park, where we're going to start a 22-mile loop. I cannot wait. This is something that we've planned and looked forward to, and now we have that opportunity. All conditions are go. I'm ready to rock and roll this party. Are you ready to see some views of the beautiful Columbian Gorge?
I'm ready to get my bucks going, so let's go ahead and do it, and we'll see you out on the trail.
Bye.
Peace out. Bye for now. And as we pick up the trail, this is about, only about a quarter of a mile back from the park, and let's see, no motor vehicles, and this looks like a promising start according to Grace's astute calculations and research. And here we are, and look what's right in front of us. I do believe we have the Columbia River. Nice island out there. Yes, it is. Okay, and we are off. We had a little mishap or two, nothing big there, but so stay on the paved road and you'll be good to go. And I think this is going to take us this way. That's our story. We're sticking to it. We'll see what happens. But so far, staying on the paved road seems like it's the thing to do. Okay, we're just crossing over an overpass, and you can see that a lot of trains, a lot of commerce going from from Washington to Oregon, across the Columbia. And we have to decide whether we want to take that bridge and go across into the neighboring state. I say let's give it a go, honey. Okay, so what's different about this train cars here? They're all the same. And more, there is no graffiti. Oh wait, I take that back. Not on the cars, but on the platforms underneath them there is. But yeah, look at that. All intermodal JB hunt. They're coming by the hundreds. Meanwhile, we're going to go over that bridge. Our next bridge, and somebody's got a fine home. If I didn't know better, I would say we were in Atlanta. I was looking at the other side. The grass is always greener. I was thinking, should we cross over there? There's a lot of trees and Greenway, and I thought, well, it's looking a little greener up ahead too, so we're gonna hang in there and see if it looks a little more vegetated here as we go. Hey there, Grace. Ms. We went from those beautiful vegetated lawns, which they have a lot of water from the Columbia River. Now we got sagebrush, which is kind of pretty much what the landscape should be on this side of Washington, apparently. Reminds me, you know, Michael, not so much a levee, this was a train track. Yeah, rails to trails. Good point, darling. You are right. Here's one just being built, darling. That one might be for you. Another notable home. Look at the landscaping on that one. Woo-hoo. Pedal to the metal. Now you tell me.
So we are stopping after riding for about 11 or 12 miles, and there's a bridge right over there. And before we go over, Michael's going to look at our app, Rails to Trails, and just verify that I have my information correct.
So we're going to take a look at Trail Link application and go to Sacagawea Heritage Trail. Yes, view map. And we are right where that blue dot is, and it says you indeed will cross the bridge right now or forever hold your peace. So we're going to cross over, go on the other side, and I guess come back on the other side.
We're going to Oregon.
I think I'll use a little bit of throttle here on this one. Uh-oh, we got in the wind also. Giddy up, horsey. And it looks like indeed we do have a concrete barrier between us and the oncoming traffic, which is what we need. No jumping from bridge. It says, I do not jump from the bridge, please. That's where I was going to take us down this way. That's where I was going to take us down this way. That's what this map showed.
Oh, really? Maybe we got to go around to the other side or something?
I don't know. We'll see if there's a spot here to catch it. Oh, yeah. Perhaps. Hey, I think we've got it. Awesome blossom.
You're still on dry land, but you're standing on the edge. Maybe it'll drag you down, down, down. Don't know if you'll sink or swim, but take a big breath, baby, tonight.
Entering Pasco. So we are back in Washington again.
Jump in. You better come clean. I know what you need. I can see the desire in your eyes, and it's calling me. I could hear your heartbeat like thunder.
Looks like she is walking it across. Wonder what that means.
Oh my God, I'm so freaked out. There were drop-offs on both sides and I was too high up and I couldn't get my balance and I freaked.
Bless you, my child.
Oh my God, I can't breathe. I was yelling, Michael!
Sorry. You made it. Wow, look at that up there. That bird looks like a jet. It's just kind of gliding. Well, there is the Twin Towers with the high voltage wires going over the Columbia River. And that means we are back here in River City, coming back to the park where we all started it. Now it says Discovery pass required, or $10 per day. I guess we have a one-day discovery pass rather than $30 for the year. But that's nice for people who live up in these parts or use it a lot. $30 and you're good to go. How do you feel about the trip so far? Did you get your money's worth?
I loved all of it except that last bridge.
Ooh, I knew there would be an except. Yeah, good time was had by all. Well, looks like we're having a lovely sunset on the, I was gonna say Colorado River, Columbia River.
I don't think it's the Columbia River. I think it's an offshoot.
We'll call it part of the Columbia River then. Offshoot of the Columbia River.
Have you ever woken up on the wrong side of the bed? Or maybe wondered about your perspective and how you see things? Well, here's an example of just that. We are in spot 13 next to a beautiful Snake River. And so far, since we've been in unlucky spot 13, a cupboard broke, the door on the upper came unhinged, and the water isn't working, so we have no water right now. Also, we just found out that the trail we've been wanting to ride for 2 years, the Hiawatha, apparently has a lot of fires going on. So yeah, lucky spot 13. Okay, so it's a new day. It hasn't started off great, however, started with the cabinet door breaking, and for our good news, we had the perfect tools to be able to fix that. Then the water wasn't working. We've got more on that here, so go ahead and stay tuned. And then we found out that the trail we wanted to ride, the Hiawatha, we may not be able to because of the wildfires that are burning in the Idaho area. And the good news on that is, with our modern technology, we are able to keep an eye on those fires, put ourselves on a route that won't be as dangerous. So maybe we'll end up somewhere even better. You know, all roads lead to where you're supposed to be, so make it a great day. So you know, sometimes it's just the little things in life that makes us happy. And today, that little thing's a shower. I can't wait. Phew. So, I've got to tell you, this is a pretty cool park. $13 with the senior discount. Hood Park in Burbank, Washington. And there's a playground, there's a boat dock, there's a river. I think the river joins the big Columbia River. I will post that in the title above to tell you which river we are on. But yeah, $13, you can't beat it. 26 with electricity, full price. So this is through the Civil Corps of Engineers. It's totally awesome. And if you are in the Washington, Walla Walla County, come on out because it's pretty cool. P.S. The showers are even free for registered guests.